Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2021 Kenworth. Folks, this is a nice unit, 161,000 miles, PX9 engine, 330 horsepower, automatic transmission. Beautiful unit, folks, white in color, 25 by 102 steel bed with a rub rail. 14.6 fronts, brand new 315 tires on it. Brand new buyer's toolbox. The underside's been turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. Excellent condition on tires, 80% to new in the back. Lift axle, adding an additional 12,000 pound capacity, 40,000 rears. Universal mounting kit. Moffett, Princeton, Load Mac, many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can see our available lifts, or if you own a lift, just let us know what you have. We'll verify everything will fit. Brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, steel refurbed outer rims, 80% to new tires. Beautiful unit, 161,000 miles. Automatic transmission, air ride seat, captain seat, excellent condition. Beautiful unit, folks. Bluetooth radio, lift axle controls in the cab. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.